I'm in the process of packing up so I can move. And I really hate moving. I tend to find it stressful and annoying. But I just remind myself that this is like 2 days of, effort, but it will save me like 3 hours every day for a year or longer. Because the new place is a 10-minute walk from work, whereas it currently takes me like an hour and a half to take a bus and a train to get to work every day. So it's it reminds me about, life in general, where you can often front load a bunch of pain and effort so that you have to expend less effort and experience less pain in the long run. And this is just an obvious example where the math is really simple, but other examples could be like going through the grueling hard work of developing a skill and sticking with it even when it gets really tough. And then in the future, once you're a master of that skill, it's a lot easier to execute it and it could even be enjoyable, right? But it required that initial sacrifice. But then once you're good at it, it's just natural. It just flows and you feel good doing it. Um, I feel like that's just one example. Relationships are another great one. You invest early on and then you reap the benefits of, trust and long-term understanding with someone. So overall, I think, yeah, it makes a lot of sense to be willing to voluntarily undergo some amount of discomfort so that you can get where you want to go and design the life that you want to have. For me, being able to walk to work is a big plus, so the move makes a lot of sense. And yeah, I'll the next video I'll be recording at the new place, so we'll see how that goes.